Hi, Whitebeard's Kitchen here, and this is a spicy pork minced taco that I'm doing with an Asian twist. Oil into the pan, or wok, whatever you want to use. The wok's been heated. In with the minced pork. Break that down. Fry it up. Meat now has some colour on it, so onion going in. Nice. Ginger. Garlic. Use paste if you want. I use the fresh stuff. And then with 2 small red chillies. Turn the heat down ever so slightly. Slight bit more oil. I'm using peanut oil. Use any oil, vegetable oil, any type of oil you wish. Give this a good mix. So it's on a medium high. Just fry this round for about 2 minutes. Take the rawns of the garlic, the ginger. Okay, crank the heat back up to high again. So, good pinch of white pepper. Give it a mix round. And the smell, absolutely wonderful coming off the chilli and the garlic and ginger. Okay, so, let's it up to high. Now in with my sauce that I've made. So what I have in this is gochujang. I have sauteed shrimp paste. I have Chillies rice wine, I have soy sauce, I have dark soy sauce, I have, to sweeten it a bit, I have in palm sugar, brown sugar will do, if you haven't got that, or white sugar even. And just to take a bit of the saltiness away, I put the juice off 1 lemon. And also I have, should mention, oyster sauce too in it. So, apologies folks, my card ran out. Thank you, showing you everything cooked. So this is the end product. So what I've just done with my little taco shell, I've added some lettuce, I've added in some chopped red pepper, I've also had a tiny bit of cucumber, some cheese on top, and as I say, I tasted it earlier. So now for the proper bite. Absolutely lovely. Do try this. You just get that little kick of the gochujang and the chili in it. I also added in, just at the very end, which you didn't see, just a tiny drizzle of sesame oil, and you can taste that loveliness coming through of that. Absolutely super. Have a go.